Mr. Harmless here, and we're going to work out problem number 16. And this one also has two variables that we got to solve for. And let's move this up a little bit. So first we're going to find the x, because I'm looking at this picture and I'm seeing that there's an x here. Okay, I'm seeing this x right here. And the other one that has an x is right next to it. And just like the last question, hopefully you already watched how to work out that last one. You want to pick two of these that have the same variable, because you can't relate something that has a different variable because you're going to run into a problem with solving. So we're going to start by just picking two that have the same variable. So I picked these two that have the x's, and they happen to be a linear pair, right? There's a straight line. They're right next to each other. A linear pair is supplementary. So I'm going to go 5x minus 17 plus the 3x minus 11 equals 180, because they're supplementary. All right, so let's combine our like terms. We have a 5x and a 3x makes 8x. Minus 17 and minus 11 makes, we're all together, minus 28. Now let's do some algebra. We're going to add 28 to both sides. So we get 8x equals 180 plus 28 is 208. Divide by 8, x equals, let's see if this comes out. 26. X equals 26. Okay, now we got that part done. All right, so now we got to figure out how this y relates to something in the picture. Let's go. We did yellow. Let's do blue. So this y, well, it doesn't relate to either one of the ones that we have listed directly, but I could, whatever this yellow one is, would be the same as this one. That might be helpful. So let's figure out what that is. So it's 3x minus 11. So let's put that 26 in there. 3 times 26 minus 11. Now you may be thinking, you did something different last time, Mr. Harmless. You set it up with all the algebra stuff, and then you put the number in. Well, I'm going to do it this way this time. It doesn't matter. 3 times 26 minus 11. And we get 67. So this actual angle right here is 67 degrees, which means this one right here is 67 degrees. We have something else in this picture that's going to be helpful. Do you see the little box right here? If this means 90, that means this side over here is also 90, which means these two together equal 90. So I could do 90 minus 67 to figure out what this equals, or I could just add these two together equals 90. That's what I'm going to do. 2y plus 5 plus the 67 equals 90, right? This one plus this one equals 90. 67 plus 5 is going to be 72, I think. After I combine my like terms, I'm going to subtract this 72 from both sides. And I get 2y equals 90 minus 72 is 18. And then we have divide by 2, so we get y equals 9. And there we have problem number 16. And if you have any other questions, let Mr. Harmless know, and he'd be more than happy to help you out.